Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error with camera which says requested device not found on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Now, here's what you need to understand. This is an error where the device is not being recognized. So it has nothing to do with the internal software of the computer. It is either with the device or the drivers. Now you need to confirm whether the device is actually connected to your system. Like if it's an external camera, make sure that it's well connected to your system and there's a light on it. And if there is a light, which means that it is being detected, then search for device manager, go to device manager, expand the camera adapters and right click on it and select update drivers. This is all you can do, nothing else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.